So guys, what's happened? As we are going to be open, as we are going to be on now, 19 pack opened by Dav. So as we're going to open the icon look pack, they're not really good for icons. My dad packed an icon in this, like on Happy New Year's Eve, I believe it was, and it was only Frank Lampard, I think. It was literally only the Frank Lampard. That's only 87. I'm gone. I've done. I've packed an icon already. Before packing, I'm done. 89. It's not the prime. I don't care. I've already packed an icon. I'm done with Di Maria. That's nice. Oh, bro. Oh, it's Aguero. I thought it was Messi. I should have paid attention. It's a striker, not a centre forward, is it? Oh my gosh, I've already packed an icon. I don't want to do this video anymore. I've already packed one. And Aguero. I don't care. I'm done. I'm done. End it right now. I'm joking. I won't. Oh, how did I pack an icon that early? I don't care. It's not prime. As my brother's literally gonna get like an icon in Rivaldo on Thursday. He's gonna get Rivaldo icon. Literally, guys, on FIFA 19, you can actually play with like other people's teams, and my brother played with F2R Frag's team, and he had like Pele and Yashin and like amazing players on it. And with his icon, Roy Keane, I got a red card. It's so funny. Oh, I'm opening the deck revolt pack because I'm getting rubbish players after the icon. So I'm probably literally I'm watching a video and getting one of these Dev Roco packs. Dev Crow. Come on, video. I'm just gonna have to do this. I'm not even gonna. Boom! Boom, you little piggies. How long is it gonna take? Where have you literally got like to 250k in this advert? That'd be like impossible. How long is it gonna take? Guys. Oh, he's packed another. Oh, is that no? Is it Dan? Oh, Perez. But Perez. I'm opening another one. Yes, get in there now. Oh, peak A in the same pack, not peak A. Oh, video adverts. I need adverts. That's what they call brand adverts. Over in America, they might be called adverts. Guys, so. Oh, guys, on level 3, you're massive. Whoa. Boom, 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 bamboo, bamboo. No, I wanted to see what he did there, guys. That would be funny. I pressed cross. Now I'm going to have to do this and blah, 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 blah. What? I'm getting a 75 and one of the best pack in the game. I'm going back onto icon look packs. Well, mind you, I did get an icon in the last pack and I got Rashford in this pack, so. Why? So I might just open the towel packs. Yeah. It will give me Hazard 93. Oh, bro, done. But it gives Iniesta. Why? You're old now. 28 is like quite old for football if you didn't know. Even though Ronaldo's 33 and PK's 36. I don't even think PK should actually be playing for Barca anymore. I think he should probably be retired by now. He probably could be able to retire. Oh, bro, it's got nice. Oh, I wanted James Rodriguez. What a packed. What a packed from FIFA 19. James Rodriguez 19 and Sterling after it. Videos. I really hate you. Stop going on a video or I'll hurt you. Hate you, not hurt you. Hate you even more. This guy is weird, guys. I don't like him. He kind of looks like a girl. Yeah. Mahrez? Is that Mahrez? Why ain't no Mahrez? I need Mahrez. I want to see what it says first. Is it the countries or what is it? Yeah, it's the countries. Oh, it's Turkey. Oh, yeah, it's touching. What? In Dream League Soccer even literally says he's a Canberra. Jordi Alba, one of the fastest centre backs in the world. 93 pace. That is sick. For a left back, it is. And I bet he's even got better pace than Salah if you're actually talking to me about that. Puslik. I want Puslik. He's got 91 pace, 69 shoot. Jeez, you're right mid. Can you give me a good... Wait. Oh, no. It's Batra. Chicken egg fried rice, Rose. Chicken egg fried rice. I want to skip that video. Anyway. Why do you not give me a good player? Why? Who even makes me get these players? Is it the game? Is it God what makes these players? It might be God making these decisions to the other people to give what I have. And I really don't want like these players, even though I've got 2 icons in this already. And I've only opened about less than 1 pack. Now guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the funniest thing ever. I'm going to open this Death Row pack. Death Row pack. 25, 24, 23. I'm going to go. And then I'll tap the M button in 14 seconds, okay? And I'll open the pack and not look. Oh, bro, it's already ended. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I did too much explaining, so I can't do what I was going to say. Right, guys, I'm going to walk away as soon as I open this. And I don't care whatever I pack. I'm just running out and nice little jog around. And I've got... Really? Are you really doing this to me? Should probably let one of my teddies open up. One. They'll probably... Yeah, one of the No, guys, what if I literally just opened... Oh, bro. Oh, what? It says 0. It doesn't say locked. But I'm going to let my teddy open. I'm getting so many Atletico Madrids. I might even just... I should probably just sack the manager from Atletico Madrid when I'm older. Yeah, when I can sack people when I'm a naughty man. No, not naughty. I mean when I'm naughty sacking people because they're really bad. That's what I mean by naughty, sacking people. All the best people, keeping all the worst people, like keeping this guy here, but selling this guy here. Sack him. I want to build a squad, like full Atletico Madrid. I want to get like, guys, I've got so many icons now. I just want to make a team out of my icons. If I could probably make a team like for Atletico Madrid. An icon, literally. I can't make a full team Atletico Madrid. I can do one striker. No, guys, I'm literally going to make a team out of all my best players, and it's just going to be sick. Literally. All my best players. That means like half the team will be literally icons. Look. Half the team, I mean like literally. Why does it have like that guy there? Ah, bruh. I want to see how I'm... Now it's going on rating. So I believe I want to actually pick Jordi Barnes over... yeah. 94 page 87. I actually like the Jordi Barley card. It's quite good. Guys, my brother actually had the Roy Keane card in 95. Ah, bro, I don't have very good in my right mids. Guys, look, Atletico Madrid. That I could just look for links. No, I need links. At 85, I have to go with 84. I don't know why. Oh, wait a second, bro. Wait a second. I don't care. That's all. I want to swap. I want to remove Roy Keane. Remove Gleason. Search. Put Gleason Martins here. Oh, bro, I might even put Modric there. Yeah, and then put Roy Keane. Oh, bro, I don't even have Roy Keane. That's some... Oh, bro, I can put like Robin. No, Gleason. I can't put Roy Keane in right mid. It's only right mid people. Well, I guess I'm going to have to put Robin. Then I wish I had an icon here. Yeah, oh, bro. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, you see, bro. I've actually done quite well. No, I saw a bad player. Remove, bro. Any better than 92? Any? Bro, no better than 92, so I'm going all the way to start. David De Gea. Oh, 191. I've made a 191, bro. That is sick. 191 is just not good enough. I don't think you can make a 199. I don't ever actually done that before. Made a 199. If you did, then your dog probably made it. Like, yeah, that's wrong. I'm just gonna do this. Is okay, I'm gonna. Well, no, I only had one red link in that. Bro. Gold light team. I need my. Yes, my best team in the world. I'm gonna go attacking all-out attack. They made a 193. Oh, bro, they've only made a 193. Ooh, this is. I'm only 2 behind them. Guys, I'm actually winning like the best team in the world. Literally. I'm fast forwarding the time now. Yes, that's good. Because if I'm winning, I could just waste time by doing this. Oh, yes, this lead. Yeah. Oh, no, Ronaldo scores, bro. I think I need to adjust the team, though. Oh. Guys, if I could draw this, I'm just going to draw it, see what happens. Oh, resume. I can't draw it. Guys, this is scary. Yes. What? My David De Gea is actually doing really well. I don't know why I did like the best team in the world. No, it's that with FTG teams. Like the best. No, guys, play against the special challenge. The special challenge is so bad. Look how bad the special challenge is. If I go all out attack, look how bad that is. You've got 90. Sane, Lacazette. Like Sane and Lucas are okay. And like Courtois and like Fernandinho and Isco, they're like the only good ones. And they've only got 186, so I'm fast forwarding the time straight away. How was he? I've all out of attack it. Oh yes, Luka Modric! Get in there. 30. What, bro? Stop. Oh, bro, it's this. No. What? So what was it? Luka Modric 29th, goal 30th. Kabam! God. Courtois is doing rubbish. Oh my goodness, 3-0. Oh bro, 4-0. Kabam, bam, 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 chili bam, bam. That's what my mind's going now. Oh yes, 86 rated player pack, bro. Guys, I'm just going to go my club. I've got nearly like all the commons. Potter and Bussalandi. Why do I need a Yuki alive? I've got one of him, 3 of Philip. Can I sell Philip? Like 2 times and then on the stream. Maybe. I've only got like 7% of the icons. 2 of him, 2 of him, 1 of him, 1 of him, 1 of him.
Oh, sorry.
1 of him, 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 1 of him. Yeah, 1 of him. I could probably make a team if I look like. I don't want to delete it, really. Squad build and my open packs. I've got PK! Yeah! I've got PK, Anna! I've got PK! PK! The man himself! PK! Oh no, it's Iniesta. It's Iniesta. It's Iniesta. So guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you in another video. And please subscribe if you're new to the channel and press that like button down.